Tired of a messy garage and struggling to find space for all your tools and gear? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best garage cabinets on Amazon that can transform your garage into a clean, organized, and efficient workspace. From durability to storage capacity, I'll break down what makes each cabinet stand out. And yes, I'll share the honest pros and cons. Let's get your garage looking neat and professional. Number 1. Overall best pick. Suncast Commercial Storage Cabinet. The Suncast Commercial Heavy-Duty 9 Cubic Foot Resin Storage Cabinet is a sturdy and practical solution for garages, workshops, or workspaces. Its heavy-duty resin construction is durable, weather-resistant, and easy to clean, while the adjustable metal-reinforced shelves provide flexible storage for tools, supplies, or equipment. The lockable handles add extra security, making it ideal for shared or commercial spaces. Assembly is straightforward, and the cabinet's sleek black design looks professional. One downside is that it's relatively bulky, so placement in smaller spaces can be challenging. Overall, it's a reliable, durable, and secure storage solution for organizing your garage or workspace efficiently. Number 2. My second best pick. Manhattan Comfort Fortress Collection Convenient. The Manhattan Comfort Fortress Mobile Garage Chest is a practical and versatile storage solution for tools and supplies. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and the mobile design with smooth rolling casters makes it easy to move around the garage or workspace. The chest offers ample storage with organized compartments, helping keep tools and accessories neatly arranged. The sleek dark charcoal gray and silver finish adds a modern touch to any garage. One downside is that the chest may feel slightly smaller for very large tools or bulkier items. Overall, it's a convenient, durable, and easy-to-use storage chest for everyday garage organization. Number 3. My third best pick. Rubbermaid Wall-Mounted Storage Cabinet. The Rubbermaid Wall-Mounted Storage Cabinet is a practical and sturdy solution for organizing tools, car accessories, and cleaning supplies. Its 150-pound capacity and durable construction make it reliable for heavy or bulky items, while the lockable doors provide added security. The 3 adjustable shelves allow for flexible storage to accommodate items of different sizes, and the wall-mounted design saves valuable floor space in your garage, home, or outdoor area. One downside is that installation requires proper mounting and may be challenging for some users. Overall, it's a strong, secure, and space-saving storage cabinet that keeps your workspace neat and organized. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Sterilite 4-Shelf Cabinet. The Sterilite 4-Shelf Cabinet is a versatile and practical storage solution for garages, pantries, basements, laundry rooms, or mudrooms. Its durable plastic construction is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to move while providing reliable storage. The lockable doors add security for cleaning supplies, tools, or personal items, and the adjustable shelves allow customization for different-sized items. Assembly is straightforward, and the neutral gray color blends well in most spaces. One downside is that it's not ideal for very heavy items, as overloading can cause sagging over time. Overall, it's a convenient, functional, and affordable cabinet for everyday organization. Number 5. Last but not least, my 5th best pick. Keter Storage Cabinet. The Keter Storage Cabinet with doors and shelves is a versatile and practical solution for organizing your garage, laundry room, bathroom, or closet. Its durable resin construction is resistant to moisture and easy to clean, making it ideal for various indoor spaces. The adjustable shelves provide flexibility for storing items of different sizes, and the lockable doors add security for cleaning supplies or personal belongings. Assembly is simple and straightforward. One downside is that the cabinet may feel lightweight compared to metal units, so very heavy items should be placed carefully. Overall, it's a reliable, stylish, and functional storage cabinet for home organization. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite garage cabinets? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.